So we're back on the next day. One of the big jobs Phelim's doing is changing the brake shoes because the old ones were quite worn.
Did you mean to flood my kitchen?
And back again. That was my wife's dulcet tones. I left the bucket in the sink with the tap running. However, so yeah, Phelim's putting the new brake pads on. Is there much difference between the?
Oh, it's gone down. It's about about 2 mil left on the mil.
Yeah,
A mil left on the pad.
quite a bit.
A shoe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh well, that's good. That'll make a big difference. I think they're self-adjusting, if I'm not mistaken, but I could be wrong. And what I'm going to do is tackle these headlights. Look at the state of that. Look at that. Absolutely disgusting. I actually rubbed that with a wee bit of sandpaper earlier. See where it's all faded. What it is it's UV damage with the sun. And a lot of people will rub them down and get them clear, but they don't protect them. You've got to use like a clear coat, a UV protecting clear coat on it. And honest to God, when you see it done, it's like night and day. Anyway, I'm going to go into that. So I'll start off with an 800 grit. She's needing a bit more here, although this isn't the actual light bit. Needing a bit more here. It's actually not that bad. I'll get another 5 minutes with the 400 grit and see how she does. I think when you wash it and you dry it off, you can see where it's no gotten enough yet, right along the bottom. It's like it's kind of crazed inside as well. Yeah, a wee bit more on the bottom. Like. That's smearing the 1500 grit, so that'll smooth her off a wee bit. And I'll do a wee bit with the 2000, I think. And that's a 5 minute with the 2000 grit. Let's see what this is. Geez, that makes a mess everywhere. But that's alright.
Okay.
A couple of coats usually does it, but that didn't go in as nice as I thought it would. It's went on off here. It's spotty.
Yeah. Maybe the second coat will even it out.
Maybe.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's a lot better than what it was.
Aye.
You know?
Still looking a bit. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this is good enough or not. It's offy. It's just an offy thing with jet on it. You know, it's splatter pattern.
Actually, wait till it dries and put the second coat on it. Then if we want, we'll buff it off again.
Aye. Well, if I'm not happy with the first coat, I'll just sand it before it gets too bad. But I'll leave it 5 minutes to dry. See what
Put all the wheels back on, Dan, yeah?
Aye, they just well, I think.
Yeah, you don't need them off anymore. little stash of spare parts.
Yeah. So, again, another headlight done, dried off. Sprayed with some clear coat. This is good, headlight coating. There's a bit windy. We'll leave that 5 minutes. Give it another go. Go careful. That one's coming up better, I think.
Look.
That's just one coat.
Oh yeah. And that's the stuff you used before, or is it new stuff?
No, I used the
That one?
headlight
Yeah.
coating stuff.
That's much better.
Yeah. I used the headlight coating in that one as well.
And that's what brought it up good.
Again.
Yeah.
It's no bad.
Oh, they'll pass. But as I say, Dan, I think it was probably done before.
So, Film's removing this panel from the back. As you can see, the paint's faded. So we're going to buff the car, but we can't do it with that panel if it's painted. So we're taking it off, and then we'll get it all done. Easy. So, I've got a few coming out. Look at that pumping, so that's the front done. Headlights are all sanded down and cleared, looking good. Gave the bonnet a cut. There's still a wee mark here, so I'll need to redo that. Cut and polish the front bumper. Got a badge to come for it. The brakes are all done. Back brakes are done. Everything's working. Might need to check the handbrake. There's a guy coming tonight to fit a new windscreen. All these rubbers are perished, so I hope he's got something to replace it. Probably silicone them. The roof needs cut, but I might do that after my babysitting chores tomorrow. We've got the wires off here, the bit off because Film's painting it. There you go, there's a couple of coats on it. Look much better. Once he gets another couple in the clear coat, it'll look good. And I think that's it. For today anyway. Or for us. Anyway, I'll see you later on the next one.
Launch it.
Bye. Well, it's time to get this all finished off again. Still got the roof to cut and these pillars. Give her a wash, give her a polish up. The weather's not that brilliant, but just one of these things. I'm just going to bring her out for the side of the carport, just as I've got more room. So when the new windscreen was fitted, these panels are put on each side, and as you can see, they don't fill it, but you buy these. Let me see, these parts here which clip on. That'll be for the other side. They clip on into here. These panels were about, I think they must have been about $100 for the pair. That was from Ford. You always pay that wee bit more for Ford parts, but you know what? It needs it. One thing I'll need to do is, there's wee bits of dirt in there, wee bits of the broken clip. I'll need to go and get them picked out. So yeah, a wee screwdriver in there and just make sure you got all the bits out. This top one, as you can see, there's wee bits here that clip in right down to the bottom one. but at the top it's a hook, so you've got to get the top one in first, get it in the hole and hook it up. Without breaking it. But in here, that looks absolutely fantastic. A wee dump just to make sure it's in place. And there's just one wee bit here I just need to. Yeah, that's it now. Yeah. Immensely happy with that. New Ford badge. And that sets her off a wee bit, I think. Record. Yeah. Jeez, look at the brake dust. Yeah. And just to give her a finishing touch, nice red brake drums, and we'll do the same with the calipers on the front as well. And she look absolutely fantastic. Sporty. That looks alright.
Give it a go.
Aye.
Then a try out.
Yeah, by the time it gets another coat. I mean, it's behind the wheel, so you're not going to see much of it. But it shows that you've been doing work to it. And the calipers are just grey at the front, so when they're done, they'll look nice. But we'll get round to that shortly. How's looking?
Come good.
Fuck, that's better.
It might be perfect, but it gives a little bit of a...
Oh look, anybody looks at that, they're going to say, yeah, that girl's been looked after.
Yeah.
You know, going to that extent.
Well, it makes them pop. Yes. Especially when you're driving along.
Yeah. Looks good. Looks bloody good. Fucking budget.
Yeah.
Well, we did it, didn't we?
Yeah.
And it looks alright. I'll give you a peek at this. Wait till you see it. Whoa! So she's all cut. We decided just to cut the whole thing. So she's all been cut. We've done the brake calipers. Front calipers all painted red just to make it look nice, to stand out. Cleaned all the windows. The back drums, because it's drum brakes in the back, they're all red. Looks good, makes it stand out. This panel that fell and painted,
That came up well,
it's all been done, yeah, and it's more or less matching. It's quite good actually, colour wise. So that's all done. And the same with this side. The inside, I think this has been looked after because it's never been touched. I mean, we've never really cleaned anything on the inside, but I'll get that done. The door jambs, look at them. It's like a brand new car. And even the roof, you know, although the roof's no came up 100%, but it's better than what it was.
Yeah. Maybe a lacquer on that would have
Yeah,
sealed it up. But yeah, whoever buys it can do that.
Oh,
it's not a big job.
We did think about vinyl, but
Yeah.
we'll see what happens. So the window's all new and rubber's in it and everything. The badges replaced. The headlights, I think the headlights look okay. Can't see that failing a roadie with these headlights because they're sanded down, cleaned, sprayed. So that's it. That's it done.
That's the first one, Dan.
Yep, that's the end of that.
First
So
of many.
it's getting going for a roadie, but we can't get it until the 30th, which is fine. We'll just leave it sitting there till the 30th. It lets me get on with other jobs. And I'll get a look on the internet for the next project and see what we can find. But that's the Fiesta done. And when we get it roadied, if it's needing anything, we'll let you know what happened, and
Yeah.
whatever it needs, we'll have to do it anyway to sell it. But I reckon that'll be a good wee car for somebody. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again.
Cheerio.
See ya.